Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to request assets on AnCrypto wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open AnCrypto application on your device. Now type in a 4-digit PIN here. After that, at the bottom navigation bar, you can see chat option. Click on it and search for a friend whom you want to request the asset. Select the account and you can see receive button at the bottom right corner. Click on it and select the asset you want to receive and type in the amount here. After that, click on done and click on request BTC. So that is how you can request assets in AnCrypto wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.